are a few rules with the number 0 that you need to know with multiplication. The first rule is that whenever you are multiplying something by 0, the answer is always 0. So we're going to look at this equation. We have 2 times 0. So in this problem, you would have 2 groups and then 0 items in each group. And if you're counting how many items there are altogether, there's 0. And this is the case when you're multiplying any number times 0. It's always going to be, the answer is always going to be 0. The other rule is that you can never have 0 in the first number or the first factor in a multiplication equation. This is because if you have 0 groups, you don't have anywhere to put the items that the second number in the multiplication equation is saying. So those are the rules with 0.